B.Sc Computer Science Education 100 level first semester. These are the courses you are supposed to offer as a brand new student in this program, in this department. You offer all of these courses, 12 of them, amounting to 24 credit units. These are the credit units. By 191 is practical, is 1 unit. All the practicals, chemistry, physics, biology, they are one credit unit each. Then GSTs are compulsory too. And your Introduction to Foundation of Education, your educational course. That's your first course in education you are offering. Edu 111. So in total, you are required to pass 24 units in this semester. And you have registered 24. Currently, the portal does not allow more than 24 unit courses to be registered. It could be adjusted, but you just have to know that you owe the administration, you owe the Senate 24 credit units in this semester. No matter what you do, you have to pass them all for you to graduate. But that's just for this semester. Now, in the fees you pay, 1 unit is 2,000, 2 units is 2,000, but 3 units is 2,500. 4 units is 3,000 and so on for undergrad for this program. Now, exam fee, these fees here are for course materials, the textbooks. Here, this one for exams, for you to sit for the exams and take the assignments. Total from here, 2,000 plus 1,000 is 3,000. That's how we got this total here. Is the total fee for each course you've registered or you want to register. And they amount to 37,500. Now there's a compulsory fee that every student pays. First time in school, your first compulsory fee is 36,000. Be it undergraduate or postgraduate, masters or PhD. You are paying this 36,000 in your first semester. But after that, look at this. Your total school fees is 70. That's combining the two for the courses and the compulsory. You have 73. You'll be paying 73,500. That's first semester 100 level. It's always the highest because of this first compulsory fee, because the compulsory fee for other semesters is 18,000, which is half of this. It's 18,000. Okay, let's look at second semester. Here we have second semester, and here are your courses. You have 2 GSC courses, 2 Edu courses, and others. And you are expected to pass 19 units from here. So assuming you failed one from the other side, you have the opportunity to bring it in here and drop one of these courses here, but not GST courses and not Edu courses. You know, there are compulsory courses you should never touch. Good. Now, you have a total fee for this course material and exam to be 30,500. And your semester fee of 18,000 added to it will amount to 48,500. So having 19 units here gives you opportunity to add any carryover you have, make it 24 units. Now we move to first semester 200 level, and here are your courses. You still have some GST to offer, and your educational courses are there too. You are still expected to pass 19 units here too, giving you more opportunity for any possible carryover from previous semester. If you failed anyone from previous semester, This is the time you register. It's also an opportunity to clear that up. Okay. And the total fee for these courses here amounts to 29,000 plus the compulsory fee of 18,000, which amounts to 47,000 dot. Some people, even if they didn't fail any, they don't have any carryover, they may like to register the full 24 units. They may like to register the full 24 units to give them more opportunity to pass if they fail. Look at this. Here we have 22 and 19 is required. So if you fail a course that has 3 units and you pass the major ones, you are still in the right track. You don't have to rewrite that course. It means you still have the opportunity to graduate without any issue. Now, second semester 200 level, these are your courses. You have 1 GST, 3 educational courses and others. 20 credit units are required of you, even though you register 23. So which means even if you fail one course here that has 3 units, or the amount, whatever the amount, 3 or 2 units, you still have the opportunity to graduate without issues. And these fees are calculated the same way as others, with 18,000 being the compulsory fee. The total fee for this semester is 49,500. 300 level first semester, you have business creation and growth. This enlightens you more to businesses, business opportunity. It gives you the opportunity to go and explore types of businesses and come up with an idea. Which one do you think you can establish? People win award from this. Although some students do skip this, they like to drop it and pick one other course, you know. So upon graduation, if there's no other course holding you back, you passed everything, but there's only one course, fine. You might be pardoned, it might be waived for you, but if not, you are coming back to register one course or 2 with 18,000 included. So that is one trick about this. Never ignore any GST because it could bring you back to school with additional 18,000 compulsory fee. So I know some educational students that they like to skip this, and even some other courses and some other programs. I don't know why. You might come back. So we have your teaching practice. That your first teaching practice. You usually go teaching practice twice. But I think all the educational courses you go for teaching practice twice, not just this one. So you still have compulsory fee 18,000 and the total. You don't register teaching practice for exam. Not anymore. Don't register it for exams. So you only pay 10,000, even though it's 3 credit units. You are paying 10,000 for it. There are external supervisors are hired in most cases to help, both things, that. So we have 56,500 as your fee for 300 level first semester. So we have 300 level second semester, and no more GSTs. Now you face your business, you mind your business, your computer and your education. That's why you have 2 educational courses and computers. And you still have your IT here. Sorry about that. Imagine you teaching practice first semester, second semester IT. 6 credit units, the same 10,000, and no, you don't register it for exams, and you're expected to pass 23 units. And here you've registered 23, which means there is no chance of failure. You must pass all of these. They are all compulsory for you in this case. You must pass all of them from this semester. 50,500 is your fee. Okay, 400 level first semester. You are still working on your education, and your third teaching practice is there too. And you still have to pay your 10,000 and no exam fees. And there's 18,000 compulsory fee. Your total fee is 54,000 for this semester, 400 level first semester. And here comes your graduation semester, your 400 level second semester. You are rounding up, and here's your project, 4 credit units, 15,000, and you don't register it for exams. Other ones are calculated the same way, and that amounts to 37,500 with your compulsory fee of 18,000, and you have a total of 55,500. Okay, now here comes the deal. You have carried or registered 182 credit units. That's the total of this across all the semesters. 182 units. That's how many you registered. Now, how many did you earn? That is, total credit units earned are the ones you passed after writing the exams. Only you know that one. I don't know. So that's why here is empty. The ones you have passed, how many credit units are they? Even if it's E or D, whatever, how many credit units? You sum them up, you will know. But in the end, after summing it up, is it up to 169? If it is, congratulations. That means you've made it. If this is your last semester and you have written up to 169 credit units courses, you have passed them, you are a graduate. Then for direct entry students, it is 122 minimum. If you have made up to 122 units, you are on the edge of graduating without any issues. So that's it.